Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Tales from my collection. Today's story is on faith, the mantra. When you have faith, you trust or believe in something very strongly. It is the sincerity of intentions. Faith means firm belief in something for which there is no proof. It is complete trust, something that is believed, especially with strong conviction. Faith is the confidence in what we hope for and the assurance that something will work even though we cannot see it. Faith knows that no matter what the situation is in our lives, things will work. Sometimes, when things don't go according to the plan, we lose faith, not only in ourselves but also in any potential outcome in our lives. Faith at its core is deeply rooted in the expectation of good things to come. It goes beyond hope. While much of hope lives in the mind, faith is steeped in the heart and the spirit. Faith can be defined as trust or confidence, and it can be in anything. Faith is something for which there is no evidence or proof. Now, on to the story, Faith, the Mantra. It is a story of a lady who was a regular and faithful participant in the daily prayer meeting conducted by a holy man. However, she lived at a great distance across the river from the saint's ashram. Every day, she had to take a boat to reach the satsang. So, invariably, she would arrive a little late every day. One day, when she reached the gathering, the holy man was speaking on the glory of uttering the name of the Lord. Do you know that nothing is impossible to you if you utter the sacred name of the Lord? He said to his followers, "Why, by chanting the name of the Lord, you can even walk over the waters." The lady, who listened with devotion to his words, was truly thrilled. What a valuable mantra the Guru had taught me, she thought. From tomorrow, I won't have to wait for the boat to cross the river. I shall just repeat the name divine and walk across the waters. In fact, it does not have to be tomorrow. I shall do it tonight on my way back home. When the prayer meeting was over, she left the place and walked quietly to the river. Chanting the holy name, she walked across the river effortlessly, reaching home in good time. She did not think it necessary to mention this to any of her friends or neighbors. In the goodness of her innocent nature, she imagined that everyone could walk over the waters with the power of the holy name, and that it was only she who had been ignorant of its power all these days. The next day, she reached the satsang quite early. The holy man greeted her and expressed his surprise at her timely arrival. "It's all your grace, Swamiji," she said with humility and devotion. "Pray visit my humble abode with your disciples. We shall be glad to come and see you," replied the holy man. "We will go with you after today's satsang." After the meeting, the woman led the holy man and his disciples to the river. Without even pausing to look ahead or behind her, she walked across the waters, quite certain that the holy man and his disciples would do the same. Imagine her surprise when she heard the holy man call out behind her, "Oh, good lady, kindly send me a boat to fetch us across the river." "Why?" exclaimed the lady. "It was your grace that taught me the power of the sacred mantra with which I could walk across the waters. Why would you need a boat?" "Oh, mother," said the holy man in utter humility, "I gave you the mantra. You had the faith to make it work. How I wish I had your faith." Through hard work, perseverance, and faith in God, you can live your dreams. Faith is a fundamental part of life, and we are taught from a very young age that leaning on to faith in difficult situations help us to overcome even the most challenging times that we face in our lives. Believe in yourself and the rest will fall into place. Faith helps to uplift your spirits and reminds you of how strong you can be. Having faith along with a positive attitude can help to motivate and encourage the people around you to do the same. If you have faith, you will learn to trust, will have the right attitude, and will help to live your dreams. When you have the faith, you don't have to worry about the future. You may know many things in your life, but knowing alone is not enough. You should have faith in it and have the confidence to practice it and make it work. In the story, just knowing the mantra was not enough for the saint to walk on water. He did not have the faith to make the mantra work, whereas the lady who learned the mantra from him had the faith and hence was able to walk over the water. One should have the faith and the strong belief to make things work. In our lives, we should practice to take the water path, which means the path of least resistance. Like how water always finds a way to flow, we have a lot to learn from water. That is, when faced with an obstacle, we should find ways to overcome that obstacle, be strong enough and patient enough to go straight through that challenge. Faith is invisible, but will make impossible things possible. One should understand that in our life, our problem is not the problem, but our reaction to the problem is the actual problem. Once you understand this, the problems in your life will stop to exist. Believe and keep going. Everything you need will come to you at the perfect time. Do not get tied on to your beliefs about your incapabilities just because you failed once. Have hope and belief about your capabilities. Never worry about failures in life. Keep trying until one day when you will actually succeed. Transform your biggest weakness into your biggest strength with a little bit of courage. Faith may not remove the pain, but may help you to get through the pain. Change the disadvantages in your life into advantages that lies in your hands. Never give up in your life. Hold on to your inner strength with faith and hope. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe.